Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find a solution for the 14th question in exercise 4.4. Let's look at the first subdivision. Given A is this matrix, compute A inverse and show that 2A inverse is equal to 9I minus A. So first I'm going to compute the RHS, 9I minus A. So this is 9 into the identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1 minus A, which is 2 minus 3 minus 4, 7. So this is 9, 0, 0, 9. With this matrix, we are subtracting the matrix 2 minus 3 minus 4, 7. So this is equal to 9 minus 2 is 7, 0 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, 0 minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So the RHS is a matrix 7, 3, 4, 2. Now let's compute A inverse and 2A. We need to match that value to this in C. So let's do A inverse. First step for A inverse is determinant of A. So let's compute. This is 7 into 2 is 14 minus of 4 into 3 is 12 minus 12. So 14 minus 12, which is equal to 2. Now let's compute adjoint of A, which is in this 2 cross 2 matrix. I'm swapping these elements. So 7 comes here, 2 comes here. We're going to change the sign for this. So this is 3 and 4. We know that A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So for this, it is 1 divided by 2 into this matrix, which is 7, 3, 4, 2, which is the value of A inverse. So now let's compute 2A inverse, which means this 1 by 2 will vanish. So the answer will be matrix 7, 3, 4, 2. And that is what we had to do it here. So hence we were able to show for the first subdivision. Now let's look at the second subdivision. Is this matrix? Show A minus 3I is equal to 2 into I plus 3A inverse. So first I'm going to compute the A minus 3I. So this is going to be A minus 3I is equal to 4, 5, 2, 1 minus of 3 into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, which is 4, 5, 2, 1 minus of matrix 3, 0, 0, 3. So if you compute, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this is the LHS value. Now let's compute the RHS value. Here, I'm first going to multiply this expression and write as 2I plus 6A inverse. So first, let's compute the A inverse. The first step of A inverse is determinant of A. So in this case, it is 4 minus 10, which is equal to minus 6. Now let's compute the adjoint of A. Since it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, we can directly swap these elements. As far as these, we change the sign. So now that the adjoint of A is there, let's write A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A into matrix adjoint of A. So in this case, 1 divided by minus 6 into the matrix 1 minus 5 minus 2, 4. Now we don't want the value of just A inverse. We want 6 times of A inverse. So if you multiply it by 6, you get a minus sign. I'm directly putting that minus sign inside. So 6A inverse in this case, I'm changing. Remember, the minus sign goes here. So this becomes minus 1, that is 5, 2, and this is minus 4. So this is 6A inverse. Now with that, we are going to do 2I. So here, minus 1, 5, 2, minus 4 is going to be added to a matrix 2, 0, 0, 2. Now let's add minus 1 plus 2 is going to be equal to 1. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. So this is going to be minus 4 plus 2 is going to be equal to minus 2. If this matrix is equal to the value of this matrix, so in the second case also, we are able to prove what needs to be done. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 15th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.